Today's a big day. Tell Face what today is. Well, this is how we're starting today's vlog. Come, let's show Faves kangaroo. Come. Where's kangaroo baby? Come show Faves. Come. Come. Say hello, Faves. Look at her. She says she's a kangaroo. She's putting things in her clothes. Can you tell me now? Look at her. Just look at her, you guys. Look at her. She's trying to put her doll into her clothes. That one can't hold. She changed her mind. She's going to Stella. Your kangaroo. Look at her. Look at her. Look at how she's stretching out her top. But since it gives her a satisfied feeling of being a kangaroo mama, I'll let her be a kangaroo mama. Come here. Show mama kangaroo. Come. Come here. Come say hello to Faves. Come here, Sarah. 1, come here. 2, come here. 3, come here. Come. You're a kangaroo? You're a kangaroo? Yeah. Say hello, Faves. Look. Say hello, Faves.
1.
Say hello, Faves.
3.
Say hello, Faves.
Hello, Faves.
What is this?
Kangaroo.
Yeah. You guys, my kids are my joy. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new where am I shouting? It's a brand new day here. You guys know when I'm sick and don't have no energy, you know, because I'm not this vibes yet. I can't shout. Anyway, it's been a full day already. Let me just let you guys know that this is a rejuvenated, a little rested Mel. Got up this morning, got my babies ready for school. Babe went off to work. I dropped Sarah, dropped Tyler, stayed in town, get some things done, and picked Sarah up, head back home, had lunch, take a little nap, and heading back out again. Phew, child. A whole lot has been happening around here already. It's afternoon now, and more like evening. What would you call after 4 p.m? Whatever time of the day you call that, that's what it is. So I am heading now to pick up Tyler from school and then head straight to the supermarket, do some shopping, and then baby will pick me up after he leave work. So my Fridays are hectic, intense. It's a hectic, intense day always, because Friday I pack a lot of things into my schedule, but it's good for my mental to keep busy, but sometimes it's really exhausting. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are trying to stay as safe as you possibly can, though you can't be too safe, but try your very best. Anyway, I am heading out and my plan is to wash my hair tonight. Let's see if I'll accomplish that. But boy, if I'm too tired and knock out when I reach back from the supermarket, it's not gonna happen. But anyway, we'll see. Have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of the vlog. Don't skip, you know, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now, because you don't want to miss the daily vlogs with the fam bam. Mondays to Fridays, we don't miss a beat. Whatever we have, we share it with you. Catch up and keep up. We are back off the road.
Sarah, come do supermarket haul.
They can't see you. Oh my god.
See.
Hi guys.
See, Sarah. See, supermarket haul.
You guys, it's time for me to throw out my
Mama, no
Valentine's Day flowers, but I'm not ready. Dry, it's all dry.
You put it like
but
this.
I'm still gonna keep it.
It gives a nice time.
It does. I'm not ready to throw it out.
Sarah.
Wait. speak now.
Sarah say supermarket haul.
Yeah. You guys, we
And
just got
Sarah
back from the
said
supermarket.
what we
Let's go.
to do.
Let's see how long babes can keep up before you start coughing.
And before we do rock, see.
He didn't last. He didn't last. Sarah, what is this? Good job. C'est quoi en français? C'est quoi en français?
Des œufs.
Bravo. Potato. What is this?
Potato.
C'est quoi en français?
Potato.
Patate.
Pomme de terre.
Mom, so why did I follow that and say patate?
Patate
Pomme de terre.
patate is like the...
Patate douce.
No,
Sweet potato.
patate is right for it, but it's like the slang word, the common
Mom, it
word.
just sounds bad because I know that it's pomme de terre, so I don't know
Pomme
why
de
I
terre.
say
If you talk
No,
to your
pomme de-
boss, you won't say patate.
Ah, it's going to cook. We're gonna have to cook it, okay? What is this?
Wrapper.
What? Sweet pepper. Yeah. All right. What is this?
I'm controlling.
Énergiseur.
Cabbage. Tyler, French. C'est quoi ça?
I'm sure you don't know what it is.
Chou.
Chou.
Chou quoi? Chou something.
Chou
C'est
vert.
quoi?
Chou.
Chou.
Yeah, the chou flower is
Almost
the
right.
cauliflower.
Oui.
Chou flower is-
What is this? Sarah, Sarah, what is this?
Orange.
No, tangerine.
Tangerine.
Yes.
Sarah, what is this?
Lemon.
Sarah, what is this?
I have to buy a lot of lemon these days because I'm doing lemon and honey. I'm doing
Sarah,
lemon.
what is
We refill
this?
the juice. Long time we didn't get juice.
I couldn't tell the last time I drink juice. In about 3 weeks I haven't drink juice. Apple.
Apple.
Good job. C'est quoi en français? Bravo! Pomme.
What you said?
Pomme. All right.
What we have
Onion. Onion.
We have some meat.
That's wipes.
Langette.
Langette en
Meat
français. Wipes.
naki. Tyler love
Sarragon.
naki. Kids love this and the parents too because it's easy, fast to do.
I don't like
And we
it.
have some basmati.
You guys, you know what time is? France in Jamaica. And Miss Bind. I wonder if the next time I go Jamaica I can freeze a pack of France and carry back. I'm definitely going to do it. I miss France. I can't find no sausage
What about
that tastes
this?
like France. You can't hold on it. That's why I haven't put it on it. France in Jamaica, no sausage here.
Quinoa.
Tastes like France. Good job. Sarah, no tablet. What is this? What is this?
How long you put it?
25. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
C'est quoi en français?
Concombre.
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 Miel.
Miel.
Miel. That's the word for today. Miel in French. What is it in English? That's the French. Good job, Sarah.
Sausage, good job.
Carotte.
What is that, Sarah? Sarah?
Celery for juice.
Sausage.
What is
Okay,
that?
you guys.
Sausage.
No, ça
You
c'est...
make the tree fell. The middle tree
You
fell.
guys, I've gone back to stop buying frozen broccoli. What's the reason why Mama stopped buying
Because
frozen
Mama
broccoli?
and me, we don't like it.
Because
There's
it's
too much
too soft.
water.
Like the water soaking the broccoli and it don't taste good. So from all the frozen veggies, I stopped by broccoli. Sarah, what's wrong? What's this?
Papier.
What is this?
Papier.
What is this?
You have some more batteries.
Broccoli, bravo.
Oh, somebody get avocado.
Tomato. Sarah, no. What's your finger? Bravo. Sarah. Oh, Lordy. Is this she wants? Here. Here. Oh, finish. Poulet, chicken. Sarah, what is this? Banana. Bam.
Peach.
Crab.
All of Tyler's stuff.
You know we are in Tyler bag. And I buy a lot of ginger to find a draw like a What's wrong? You want tablet?
Yes.
No tablet.
Almond.
Okay?
We have some almond, Amanda, almond.
Cacahuete.
Peanut.
Peanut.
Sarah, what is this?
Mmm.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Wow.
Pizza.
We have some biscuits, bio biscuits, healthy,
Salmon.
healthy
La
snacks.
barquette.
Oh.
Yogurt, breakfast substitute. These are breakfast on the go for baby and I. When it's not smoothie, you can easily
And this-
throw a few cereal in
And
this.
this one is my second breakfast.
Oh gosh, let me see. She don't want it.
Chocolat. And chocolat. Chocolat.
This is a chocolat.
Her favorite biscuit. You need to go and let she see she gonna want it.
Yeah.
You want chocolate?
I didn't know that was her favorite biscuit.
Dentifrice Pokemon.
No matter where she see this biscuit, she wants it. Chocolate?
What
Yeah.
we have here,
So
we
thank
have,
you.
We have some other
Papa,
chicken.
regarde mon dentifrice.
Ok, oui, j'ai vu ces Pokémon.
Oui.
Tiens.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
What are fruits?
Yeah, butter.
Butter because I'm gonna bake with the kids this weekend.
Bake a cake.
No,
Something
bake
special.
a hairstyle. She's gonna make
I was
donuts.
just waiting to hear what is it.
She's gonna make a lot of donuts.
Anyway,
No,
I
she's gonna
have
make
sweet
cookies.
potato fries.
She's gonna make cookies for me.
In this bag, I have something special for Sarah. Can you guys see I'm hiding it? I can't let you see. There's the water.
Salt, we have all of the.
And all the yogurt left in this bag. Cereal.
What else we have
I'm making something nice for the kids this weekend, so don't miss it.
Nice.
So, what is the favorite?
Big
The main,
can butter.
the main ingredient when you bake.
Flour. Fromage.
Fromage, cheese. That's it.
No.
A couple of things remain.
Corn and bouillons and more juice for the kids. Anyway, you guys, that's it for the supermarket haul for
No,
today. Oh, babe,
that's it.
babe,
Yeah.
you didn't cough too much.
No.
Why are you admiring the food in the oven?
I was thinking how they do back in the times to eat the pizza when they have no fire. You think that pizza? When
I don't know.
When the man they used to hunt and eat the meat from the animal without
They
fire.
had fire outside.
Before they
fire.
created the fire.
I don't want to think about before they created
You
fire.
think they had pizza too?
No, there
No.
wasn't pizza.
That was boring.
Rock, paper, scissors, come. Sorry, it's rock, paper, scissors time. Wait, get down. You have to put Sarah in the mix and prepare for catastrophe and tornado. Ready, Sarah? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What's going on? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. The recording had stopped, so hopefully you guys didn't miss who won. If it's a case where you missed it, then babe won.
Of course.
So Tyler gonna have to come back stronger next week. Here, but of course, not of course. Cause Tyler whoop your butt a couple times. Anyway, you guys, and Sarah didn't do any catastrophe. She eating her biscuit in peace. So we're gonna have pizza for dinner. Comment down below and let me know what you guys having for dinner on this beautiful Friday, as in the Friday that went. Because when you see this, it would have already passed Friday. Somebody tell me some jerk chicken with no pepper and piece of hardwood bread. We just want to hear it, just for drool. And somebody tell me so to have like one chicken patty, one hot beef patty, and one hot cheese patty. Just to make me drool and one malt up on the side. Our bun and cheese and supper jam.
Joyeux carnaval!
Anyway, you guys, that sounds good, no? So where you eating cookie? Where you get cookie from? Look at him.
My wedding pie.
No.
I can't be mad at him for this one. He deserves it. You guys hear me? My
To the
allergies.
freaking weekend.
Honey,
Yeah.
let me talk to the people.
Yeah.
You guys, my voice is gone. My allergies acting up. I was fine until the afternoon. I sprayed my allergy thing in my nose before I left home, and I was fine. But by the time they picked me up and got back home, I'm sneezing like crazy, and it's just a mess right now. My time of the year. Oh, today's a big day. Tell Face what today is.
Today, he makes 8 years since she.
Okay, let me tell you. He was here fine all along, you know? And the minute he turned on the camera, this is what's happening.
So today makes 8 years since she definitely
Moved to France to live.
moved to France.
I pick up my phone and saw the 11th of March, and I'm like, oh my gosh, babe, what is today? It took a while.
That she migrate here.
8 years. I've given this man 8 years of my
So
life.
this year I'm gonna celebrate
Under the sea.
11 years with you.
Can you imagine?
That's already too much.
I said the same to him. Me want back me 11 years.
Yeah, I give them back to you.
Uh-huh.
You are young and fresh at the moment. 11 years. That means I met you young. You are young. You're still young, but you were what, 23?
Oh my god, don't even say that out
Not
loud.
even 23, 22 exactly. Is that young?
What we know about love at 22?
No, yeah, 22.
Huh? What we know about falling in love and moving from one country to the next? Go find man and woman business. Look at us. Oh my gosh. So it's been 8 years today since I came to France to live and left my family one suitcase. I would say to me, just don't become friends with one suitcase. That's it.
You don't have no clothes.
Nothing.
And you have all of your life in one suitcase.
All my life in one suitcase.
Because after when I send you back there and I say, come back with some of your stuff, you have nothing to come to bring back.
Nothing. All I owned was my little fandangles. All my trophies and awards and those things that I had, but I don't even know where they are. My sister probably threw them out somewhere. I know when my mom was there, she had them, but since my mom migrated, I have no idea where they are. Some of those things I wish I had. But anyway, you guys, it's been 8 years living with this man. We were just here going down memory lane for like 30 minutes, just talking about how much we've been through and all the memories and the fun things we did and all the struggles that we've been through since. Man, we've come a long way, you know? Anyway, guys, I'm not feeling so good, so I'm going to...
Remember the shirt?
Oh, you know the shirt I present.
Do you remember this?
If I remembered?
Here.
Yeah.
When you gave it to me.
We bought it at the Jamaica store place in past half a tree and go up near Sun Island. We bought it at Sun Island. We had bought a bunch of, not we, me. I think it's when I went to my grandmother's funeral. And mommy and I went to Sun Island and we had bought a few Jamaican goodies.
It's no longer than this?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
That's where I care about this shirt from. Anyway, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed the bits that we had to show you today. Give this video a thumbs up because I know you guys will do that for us. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.